Hello, thanks for tuning in for part 5 of the AeroTetris 2.8 metre SR71 Blackbird build. So part 5, moving along, and what I'm kind of happy about is that I've put the fuselage aside. Done enough on that, as you've seen on the videos. So now we are with Claire is going to help me on this one. Move along to the wing.
Yeah, we're going to crack on.
Going to crack on. Okay, so before I start, if you're new to the Essential RC channel, then maybe you'd like to consider subscribing. Press that button to subscribe, but also remember to click the bell as well, so that you get notifications via your preferred method of update. That's that. And also, again, getting good support on this project, getting comments left on the part 4 video. So Lewis said, great video. You could fiberglass the surface to give a strong and light skin to the aircraft. Keep up the great work. So that was our intention anyway. I think the thing that a lot of people didn't like, that I was thinking of doing, was putting carbon tubes down the outside of each side of the fuselage and flooding the inside of that with, not the inside of the tube, the outside of the tube inside the fuselage with builder's foam. And some people thought that would actually be a bad idea because it might expand and make the whole fuselage explode.
You don't do that.
Not after I've glued all these 400 or 500 pieces of foam together. I'd probably cry if that happened. Riley, what does Riley say? Claire?
Put my glasses on. Thanks for the mention, Dom. Great progress made. I can't wait to see it fly. Nor can I. However, that's going to be a while. Yes, it is.
If it's in my lifetime, I would be amazed. Mr. RC Helijet, fellow YouTuber, very successful YouTuber in the RC world, says, good luck, smile.
Oh, that's nice.
What does he mean, good luck, smile? That's one sentence. Does he mean good luck, smile? Or does he mean good luck, smile?
He might just be laughing at you.
I think a lot of people are probably laughing at me on this project. How about that one? James Matrix says, it's Ricky Gervais. I don't look like anything like Ricky Gervais, and I'm certainly not even a fraction of how funny that guy is.
Bruce Willis, maybe?
Yeah, well, anybody basically who's bald, like Bruce Willis, yes. A great one by Rich Chance, a good friend of mine who has a lot of experience of actually building RC jets, composite jets. He designed one that is now made by Tom Hawk Design in Germany, and he said, glass the outer surface, Dom, will give you all the strength you need as well as prepping the surface for paint. So in his opinion, I don't actually need to add any internal reinforcement, just glassing the outside of the fuselage should be enough. That's great to hear. So if Rich is the expert, so I'm going to go with what he says. So anyway, let's move on. The wing. This is the wing plan. So you can see there how it's built up from the different pieces of foam, and you can see the vertical carbon tubes, 10mm. I've got a couple of those. I'm going to have to order some more for the other wing. But we can at least do one side, and the fin as well. And the fin has 2 8mm tubes. That's the dogs downstairs. 2 8mm tubes. So what we need to do first, we've got the tub here. First thing we need to do is to get organised and just lay things out. So we're going to give you, this is going to be sped up, obviously. Oh my God, this will take us about an hour. So we're going to sped this. Yeah, it's going to take a little while. Is that all right with you?
Yeah.
All right.
Crack on.
Okay. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so there we go. No better proof than many hands make light work. So we did that in about 10 minutes actually, all the pieces and nothing missing. Hooray! Which is fantastic. So Claire helped me lay it out on the table. So all I'm going to do, actually I'm going to go the opposite way to which I said. I'm going to go from F01 across. So basically from the front of the wing to the back. And when I get to F05, that's when I need to start using the first 10mm tube to get things aligned. But otherwise, doing the same routine using my activator pen, my mitre pen and my foam safe glue, and it should go together pretty quickly, I hope. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. So there we go. That's the, and just one little piece to add on. That's taken a bit of an hour.
Wow.
Oh,
good.
So look who's just turned up, just as I've finished.
Oh, that's really amazing.
Yeah. Yeah.
I like that.
And that's just one of the 2 wings.
I like the way it curves there. That's cool.
Yeah, I don't know what that's about. There's a kind of a leading edge curve.
Nice.
Out towards the trailing edge. But it does look rather good.
That's pretty impressive, that.
So let me just glue on this last bit. Then we can say that this video is done. I'm not going to bore you by taking you through the second wing as well, because it'll be an exact duplicate of this. But let's finish on a high and get that stuck on there like that, and we'll be good. So the one important thing with doing this wing is that obviously you may have seen that a third of the way across I was flipping them over. I decided to, because the focus should be the top side of the wing, making sure that the pieces are as flat and as possible, and you're maintaining a flat surface. And that is almost, it will need a light sand, but it may be less so underneath, but the focus should be the top of the wing. So I'm really happy with that. How about that? That's a wing of an SR-71 2.8 metre. Okay, so thanks for tuning in for this one. As I said, I'm going to do the left-hand wing now, and but in our next video we'll be doing the engine nacelles, where that'll be really interesting, because I'm really interested in, as I build it, seeing what space is inside for the power system, whether we're going to go EDF, whether we're going to go turbine, I don't know, but it will soon become clear, I hope. So thanks for watching this one. See you next time.